Today, we have a special celebration on the horizon. It's Prosthodontist Day. Prosthodontists play a vital role in restoring and enhancing the smiles of countless individuals. So, grab your dental tools and let's dive into this special day dedicated to these dental wizards. Prosthodontists are the master craftsmen of dentistry. They specialize in the design, fabrication, and fitting of artificial replacements for teeth and other parts of the mouth. Their expertise goes beyond creating beautiful smiles. Prosthodontists are architects of oral health, restoring function and aesthetics with precision and care. Ever wondered what a day in the life of a prosthodontist looks like? From consultations to crafting custom prosthetics, their dedication to their craft is truly commendable. Today is the perfect day to express our gratitude. Whether it's a simple thank you or a bouquet of flowers, let's take a moment to appreciate the prosthodontists who bring smiles back to life. So, here's to the prosthodontists, the architects of beautiful smiles and the unsung heroes of oral health. Cheers to your dedication and expertise. Thank you for joining us in celebrating Prosthodontist Day. Remember, your smile is your signature, and prosthodontists are the artists who make it shine. Until next time, keep smiling, and happy Prosthodontist Day. Thank you.